Hey guys,
Hi.
welcome back to Planet J Judah, and today I have my mommy-in-law, Mary, with me. And yes, it is out of season, but we're trying Peeps. Peeps. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Dr. Pepper. Chocolate pudding. So yes, I got these when it was Easter, when they were all out. And we just haven't done it yet.
We're gonna do a
Taste test. Let's see if I can get them open. I don't want you to open these. Yeah, there we go. So the Dr. Pepper is chicks.
Yep.
And the chocolate pudding is bunnies.
bunnies. Yes.
Bunnies. Oh my goodness, I can smell the chocolate already.
I can't smell nothing.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't
Oh.
even get it open. Whew, now I really can. Smells like that chocolate pudding you had when you were a kid. Come on, open up. There we go. Look, chocolate bunnies.
Oh, now I can smell it.
Yeah, it's potent.
Yeah, it smells good.
Dr. Pepper smells like Dr. Pepper.
It sure does.
One for
Okay.
you. One for, whoops, they're sticking.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Down the hatch.
I don't taste Dr. Pepper.
I tasted Dr. Pepper.
You do taste it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I just bit too much.
I put
Oh,
it all
no,
in my
no.
mouth.
Oh, yeah, that could be why. I'm tasting it now.
That's very good.
Very soft.
Very sweet.
Mm-hmm. Chocolate bunny. Okay, this time I'm just going to shove it all in.
Here we go.
Cheers. Oh, I can't. My mouth's not big enough. Ooh. I'm kind of glad I didn't, because do you see that? That's actual chocolate marshmallow. It's not just a coating on the outside, whereas
That
the
is
chicks,
good.
yeah, they are. The chicks is just marshmallow with the sugar on the outside.
Mm-hmm.
So all the flavor for the Dr. Pepper is on the outside. The bunnies, it's the whole thing.
And it's very good. I love it. It's not as sweet as the Dr. Pepper, I don't think.
No, it's nice and chocolatey.
I want another one.
Go ahead.
That's it, because it's too much sugar.
I know, right? Well,
Mm.
as you can see, we both liked them.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And remember, I'm not sure how, but gravity works, guys.
Bye. Oh, that was fun.